This is Carlos Cousins. The following question can be a bit intimidating. A lot of people get confused about when to use who and when to use whom. What you want to generally think about, an easy way of thinking about it, if you're comfortable with what a subject, a verb, and an object are, the whom is going to be talking about things that you generally have in the object. Now, if you're not so much, think about whether you would be able to replace the word with either he or she. And in that case, you're going to have who. If you're talking about an action being performed by a subject, you're going to have who. But if you have something performed on something else, a verb acting upon something else, so the person to whom you send something, for example, if you have a regular SBO sentence, you would say, I sent, so I would be the subject, sent would be the verb, and then the letter. um Maybe that would be your object to somebody. That somebody there, if that went back to the beginning, would be the person or that somebody to whom rather than who. So this would be for him, so in the sense to him or her. If you're replacing him or her, then you would be using whom instead of who. A bit of a simplified explanation here, but if we're looking at this at this question, then working with Dr. William Penny Brooks, we have a subject here, the person who championed a verb. We're not thinking of what happened with the object at all. Sport, physical exercise. So these whom ones can go away. And now between whose and who, there's no difference. Whose is actually going to be a contraction for who has, but this is very, very, very colloquial. We don't really like it. It's not formal in received standard English. The other thing is who is also more concise. So for both of those reasons, we're going to prefer who as to C to a who has in the contraction form whose. Hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.